So the very first method is to restart your Nintendo Switch. For that, you have to hold down the power button for a few seconds and then choose power option. After that, select restart. Now wait for some time unless the console restarts and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to check for system update. First, you should check for the console update by going to system settings on home menu. Now move down and choose system. Here choose system update to begin the update process. If there is any update available, the system will check for it. After that, try to launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next solution is to check for game update. For that, you have to go to the home menu. Now select the game or software you want to update. Now press add button controller and then tap on software update. Here select via the internet option. It will further check for updates and after that check if the issue is resolved. But if the issue continues, next solution is to check for corrupted data. First go to the system settings, then go to data management. Now select manage software. Here select problematic software. Now check for the corrupt data. Finally wait for the process to finish and then tap on done option. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to delete system cache. Generally, the cache files that is collected can be corrupted due to which the error occurs. So you should delete the cache files by going to system settings. Click on system tab, then select formatting options. After that select reset cache and then follow the instructions to delete the cache files. If not, next solution is to re-download the game. For that, open settings from home menu. Now move down and select data management. Then select manage software. Here choose the game you want to remove. Now select delete software and confirm by selecting delete option. Once you have done this, reinstall the game by opening Nintendo eShop on home menu. After that choose the account you want to use, then select profile picture. Then move down and select re-download. Here search the game you want to download and then select download button beside it. After that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to try different account. So when the issue continues, then you should change your Nintendo Switch account and try with another account. This is an useful way to bypass the problem you are facing while playing the game. If not, then the final method is to contact Nintendo Switch customer support. So if nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Link I have already provided in the description. Here choose the issue you are going through and then follow the instructions as guided. Hopefully, these methods will resolve the issue you are coming across while playing the game on Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch 2. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.